Hey everyone, welcome back to Naturalhub. Today we're diving into an exciting topic, 3 foods you could survive on. Yes, we're talking about a balanced diet of survival foods that ensures your body gets all the protein, carbs, minerals, and vitamins it needs to stay healthy. So let's get started. Surviving in the wild or during an emergency situation requires not just any food, but the right kind of food to keep you going. Here are 3 foods that can provide a balanced diet to ensure you remain healthy. First up, we have quinoa. Quinoa is a fantastic survival food. It's a complete protein, which means it contains all 9 essential amino acids. It's also packed with carbs, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Plus, it's easy to cook and has a long shelf life. Just 1 cup of cooked quinoa provides about 8 grams of protein, 39 grams of carbs, and a good amount of magnesium, iron, and zinc. It's versatile and can be mixed with other foods or eaten on its own. Next on our list are lentils. Lentils are another excellent source of protein and carbohydrates. They are also rich in fiber, iron, and folate, which are crucial for maintaining energy levels and overall health. A cup of cooked lentils gives you around 18 grams of protein and 40 grams of carbs. They cook relatively quickly, which is perfect for a survival situation, and can be made into soups, stews, or even added to salads. Last but not least, we have sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a powerhouse of nutrition. They are rich in complex carbohydrates, which provide sustained energy, and are loaded with vitamins A and C, as well as potassium and fiber. 1 medium sweet potato gives you about 4 grams of protein and 26 grams of carbs, along with a significant dose of beta-carotene, which is essential for eye health and immune function. They can be roasted, boiled, or even eaten raw in some cases. So there you have it, folks. Quinoa, lentils, and sweet potatoes, 3 foods you could survive on. These foods not only ensure you get all the necessary nutrients, but are also easy to store and prepare. Remember, the key to a balanced diet, especially in a survival situation, is variety and ensuring you're getting all the essential nutrients your body needs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Stay prepared, stay healthy, and see you next time.